All right, so just testing things out. Welcome to the AI Scale Up Sprint. We're going to be calling it AI Sauce, right? Because we're entering the kitchen of artificial intelligence, and I'll be putting you through how to add the salt, the pepper, the water, the Maggi, the ingredient, the herbs to make great AI sauce, such that whatever you use AI for is going to be so delicious, so tantalizing that people just want to have a taste of it, right? So be jumping into this free boot camp. Is a free boot camp. However, it's going to be open for a long time, meaning people can join at any given point in time, right? But you're going to have access to any of our earlier classes. You have to head to our platform where we'll be hosting it. It's a subscription-based platform, and there are other interesting trainings around it. We'll give you the link to read up on what the platform is all about. But primarily, that's where we're going to be hosting every of our weekly source. AI Scale Up Sprint, AI sauce. That's what we're going to put in it. That's going to be the kitchen where we're going to be storing it, right? So you can have access to it and rewatch to practice at your own pace. But for those, probably you're financially constrained, you don't want to subscribe, all you have to do is to catch up as at when due every week with our trainings, right? We're going to be giving you 72 hours access. Remember, it's free. And all of the infrastructures you are using is not free. As you can see, I'm in my studio. I'm going to be recording. It costs a lot to put these things together, right? But we're not asking you to bring any money, right? Just take serious what we're going to be pushing out there. It's going to be an exciting moment. I'm telling you, this is going to be one of the best trainings you have ever attended in your entire life. Read my lips, right? Read my lips. The fact that it's free doesn't mean it's going to be substandard. You're going to learn very, very outstanding stuff in the world of AI. And you do not need me to preach to you the importance of AI in the time and age that we're in. If you need me to do that, then maybe I will. Maybe I should. I will certainly do that. Keep up with the class, read our guides and materials, and I'm telling you, give me the next couple weeks. You would not recognize yourself and what you can do. All right. So I'll see you on the inside. Remember, I have gotcha. If you have attended any training from Kisa Digitals, you would know you are in for a ride. You're going to be transformed. And I want you to get used to that phrase because every time and any time, I have gotcha.